Rana Basharat Ali Khan demands global action as Gaza women suffer unimaginable indignity in menstrual health catastrophe ***Gaza Rana Basharat Ali Khan, chairman of the International Human Rights Movement IHRM, today condemned the systemic degradation of women and girls in Gaza, where approximately 700,000 individuals of menstruating age endure inhuman conditions due to conflict, blockade, and infrastructure collapse. The crisis, now at catastrophic levels as of June 2025, leaves women without sanitary products, clean water, privacy, or medical care, reducing a fundamental biological process to a source of trauma and shame. Chairman Khan stated, "This is not merely a humanitarian issue, it is a deliberate erosion of human dignity and a violation of international law. Women are using torn rags, sponges, and soiled clothing to manage menstruation while trapped under bombardment, with 90% of water and sanitation systems destroyed. The world's silence is complicity." Recent developments confirm Israel's aid blockade, partially eased in late May 2025 through a US-backed distribution system, remains grossly inadequate. Less than 25% of required menstrual supplies reach Gaza, forcing girls as young as 12 into dangerous improvisation. Medical professionals report surging infections and reproductive health complications amid near-total healthcare collapse. Psychological suffering is rampant, with displaced women describing menstruation as a curse in a daily battle for basic dignity. The International Human Rights Movement, a global advocate for marginalized communities, underscores that menstrual equity is a non-negotiable human right. IHRM has documented testimonies from Gaza revealing women rationing single sanitary pads for days, leading to severe health risks, fathers sacrificing clothing for daughters' makeshift protection, overcrowded displacement camps where menstruation triggers isolation and despair. Chairman Khan called for urgent international intervention. "We demand immediate, unrestricted aid access prioritizing hygiene kits, water purification, and medical supplies. Governments enabling this blockade must be held accountable. History will judge us by whether we let Gaza's women bleed in silence." IHRM reaffirms its commitment to exposing rights abuses in conflict zones and mobilizing global pressure to end Gaza's suffering. The International Human Rights Movement IHRM is a global organization dedicated to advancing universal human rights, with a focus on conflict-affected populations. Gaza requires over 10 million sanitary pads monthly. Current supplies cover fewer than 250,000 women. Sources include field reports, humanitarian briefings, and UN data as referenced in public domain updates.